so now we're just going to do an unboxing today of this dash cam that the company sent to me to review. I'm going to give you my honest opinion, let you know what I think about this. I do already have a dash cam in one of my other cars, so this one I'm going to be installing in a smaller car, my Corolla, which is going to be different from having a dash cam in a big minivan. It's very nicely packed. I'm impressed. They've been very nice and very responsive, so I know just from that experience that they're going to be available for you if there's ever any kind of issues. This is a company that takes their products seriously. They've been really, really patient with me because I've been busy with all my 7 kids and it's taken me a while to get to this, but I just wanted to share that with you because to me that's a really good sign and that's someone I can trust. Here we've got a nice manual. It's in color. Gives you the list of materials that's included. A dash cam, 2 electrostatic films. Okay, good, because I like those. A car charger, a USB-C power cable. So that's going to be attaching the front to the back. Excellent. So this is the actual dash cam. And then we've got 5 cable clips here. And so in case you don't have a place to tuck them into the car, that's really nice to have that option as well. And it even says it has a storage card. The English and the attention to detail here is really, really impressive. It gives you great detail, step by step, how to get everything set up, such as with the app that comes with this or included. So you're not going to have to subscribe to anything extra. These are the electrostatic stickers. I found that these have been very easy, very user-friendly, and they look great on the windshield. You really can't even tell that you have anything extra there. So if you're worried about how that's going to make your car window look, I wouldn't be. I've done this before, and they work really great. This is an extra sticker for the actual dash cam. Wow, I am impressed. This dash cam looks super sleek. I'm really looking forward to putting this into the Corolla and seeing how it all works in the end. If you need it to come off, you just slide it off and on because that's what attaches to the window. So I don't know why I can't do it right here, but when you get it in there, it should be able to slide right off. This is where the memory card goes. So if you can imagine, this is facing, like this part would be facing you in the car. This part of the camera would be facing out at the windshield. This is where you're going to store all the memory. Pushed it and it popped out. So there you go. You got 64 gigabytes on this micro SD card, but I might suggest getting one that's bigger, maybe 128. That way you don't have to frequently clear it off. You'd have more storage. So that just goes right in there. You don't have to hardwire this into your car, and if you do want to hardwire it, I'm sure there's a kit that would be compatible with this, but in this case, right out of the box, you are going to be connecting this directly to your cigarette lighter, and then that would connect to your USB cord, and then the USB cord will connect right there to give it the power. This is what you're going to be using to tuck the wires in the fabric of the car if that's what you do. But again, they do include these hooks with stickers on the back as another option. So I'll be back again with another video soon where I'm going to show you how I install this into my small sedan. One of his complaints is that he doesn't want to have any kind of obstruction to his view. Getting a simpler dash cam like this is perfect for those who are very sensitive to that, because we're going to install that right behind the mirror, the rear view mirror, so there's not going to be any difference from what he's used to already. It's going to hide right behind the rear view mirror because there's not going to be an internal video of the car. This is very straightforward, and that's totally fine because usually that's all you need. So I really hope this helps. I'm very impressed already just seeing the quality of this product right out of the box, and I think it's definitely worth a look.